It's a beautiful fall morning, perfect for a ride into the Sierra Mountains. Today we are riding to Downieville, California. This ride was scouted by my riding partner, Randy. We topped our gas tanks in Roseville and headed north on back roads to Lincoln. There we worked our way to Wise Road and on to Auburn, California. Auburn had several names, including Woods Dry Diggings and Rich Dry Diggings. It was finally named for a settler's home in Auburn, New York. In Auburn, we turn north on Highway 49 and head towards Grass Valley. Most of our ride today will be on historic Highway 49. It is sometimes called the Golden Highway. It goes through many of the towns that started as mining camps in 1849. Grass Valley was called the Grassy Valley by the first immigrants because of the amount of forage available for their animals. When the post office was set up, the name was changed to Centerville. The residents changed the name back to Grass Valley in 1850. We ride next through Nevada City. The name is Spanish, meaning snow-covered. At first, Nevada City was the largest town in the county, but was soon replaced by Grass Valley. We arrive in Downieville after a fantastic ride through the forested hills. It is located at the fork of the Downey River and the Yuba River. The first cabin was built here in 1849, and by 1850, the population had grown to about 5,000. We had lunch at the Two Rivers Cafe, good food and great scenery. We took a little walk through town after lunch. At the town museum, we saw a picture of Sardine Lake. We decided to take a side trip and go there. Highway 49 parallels the Yuba River as we leave Downieville. We found a great place to take a picture of the river along the way. The scenery all along this stretch of Highway 49 and the Gold Lake Road is beautiful. We stopped to enjoy the view. We found a small park and campground on the edge of Lower Sardine Lake and Sand Lake. Quiet and beautiful. Back on 49, we ride over Yuba Pass at about 6,700 feet. At Satley, we turn onto Highway 89 towards Truckee. We topped off our tanks in Truckee and got on I-80 west towards Sacramento. Another great day of riding. Thanks, Randy.